Hey folks, in this video, we're going to talk about a system that we're going to use on to receive payments of $500, $1,500, $35,000, $11,000, $5,000, $11,000 cash payments. We're going to talk about how to receive them and simply mailing postcards. Folks, can you mail a postcard? We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, I am Timothy Thomas. Hey guys, before we get started, can you go ahead and like the video, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Folks, you're looking at a postcard, and I've got thousands of them printed up, and they're going to go out over the next 90 days. Folks, we're going to launch a marketing campaign unlike we've seen. We've got the stamps on them and labeled, ready to be dropped off in the mail. Folks, I tell you what, this postcard is responsible for helping us to get us where we need to be in the leverage profit systems. Leverage profit system, folks, is going to be a game changer for 2022 and beyond. Folks, it is 100% commissions if you close your own sales. I can do them for you for an 80-20 split and have you off to the races. It could not be a better time as we enter into tax season. People looking to recoup money from Christmas, and people looking for a valuable business with products that they could actually use and benefit from. Folks, the leverage profit system is one of the best programs that we have to offer. I have got unlimited documented proof as what this program has done for me, and it continues, folks, to get bigger and better. And the more we put into it, the more we're getting out of it. I'm going to walk around, if you'll allow me, about 13 minutes, folks. It'd be well worth your time. Let's get into this thing. Let's see the benefits for it. Let's talk about the products. Let's look at the back office. Let's walk around and look at the postcard system. Let's talk about that welcome email with the resources that you will get when you partner in this program. Folks, this is exciting. I am telling you what. Your average sale is $1,500. I've got people coming at $1,500 all the time. Some $35, some $75, $11,500. Folks, this is incredible. Very exciting. When you get a chance, if you really want to see my documented proof of what we've done in this program, you can come over to the channel and again, under playlists, you can look at all my leverage profit system videos. I've got proof, 4-figure paydays, proof, or just key in leverage profit system, Timothy, into the YouTube bar, and all my proof videos will come up. That looks like Timothy Thomas. And talking about this program, here even is the playlist, 15 videos in there. Folks, I tell you what, if you can afford to get into this program, I highly suggest I recommend it to you. I'm leading with this program. I'm leading. We want to lead with big ticket. And if people cannot afford or don't have the income to put into the big ticket, we have smaller ticket programs. So we're going to lead with the big ticket this year, and we're going to be working with the supplement grid. But guys, I'm going to totally talk about leverage profit system in this video. So guys, when you get a chance, you can check out my other videos where we got proof, opening checks, showing proof, this, that, and the other. But let me show you the benefits of the system, guys. I'm going to show you the lead capture page. You get about 7 to choose from. This has a marketing system that's built in. It's a built-in marketing system, and it has about 2 months of follow-up emails pre-written for you, and they convert like crazy. This thing converts like it's nobody's business. Folks, I tell people all the time, if you plug in, mail postcards, you can even do solo ads, text messages marketing. I've got a company that can do text message marketing for you, ringless voicemail drops, and all of this, all these resources, when you join, will be in a welcome email. I'll send you a welcome email to the email of your choice, welcoming you to the system and giving you an outline, a blueprint for success. Folks, can you plug in? Can you go? And the sky can be the limit with the leverage profit system. When you join, folks, this is Again, the postcard that you'll get, that's how it looks. That's the one side of it. Your domain name will go here. You will be assigned a 1-800 number, and it can go there on your postcard. So when people look at the presentation and the overview and they're ready to join, they will call and leave a number, and one of the coaches will spring into action and give them a call back. So I'm a coach. If you partner with me, I'll be your coach, and I will certainly call people back on your behalf and sign people up with you. All I need is your sign up link, which you will provide for me. And it's full transparency. You will get an email. I will get an email every time somebody requests this information and a callback. That's why I love the system. Full transparency. So that's it. Let's see if we can see. Okay, that's the back side of the postcard, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's your return address. Go there. Now, you don't have to have your return address up there. You do not have to have that. But it gives the 3 call to action steps. Step 1, you're going to watch the video presentation over at your domain name. Step 2, they're going to listen to the sizzle call. Pause the video, guys. Pause that video right now. Listen to that call. And that call is a high converting call. When people go through that call, it answers the questions. And even, guys, before they get that, very exciting. This website, we're going to look at a little bit of this video before the end of it. It does the selling, the telling, explaining for you. All levels of participation are 500, 1500, 3500, 75, and 11,000. Now, if you get a coach on the phone and you join within 48 hours of talking with me, we have been authorized by the company to give an upgrade from 1500 to 35, from 35 to 75, and from 75 to 11,000. That's a benefit of talking to the coach and coming in within the 48-hour upgrade span. Cash is king, folks. Let's be realistic. Money may not be the most important thing in life, but it is reasonably close to oxygen. We all need it. There's no substitute, folks. That's why we have dedicated our lives to helping people get the money they need without becoming a pushy salesperson. This site converts like it's nobody's business, folks. We're going to talk about this, folks. There is no inventory to store, no uplines, downlines, sidelines. Basically, it's direct sales. When people join, they pay you. You come in at the $1,500 level, you get a $1,500 sale, it goes to you. That is exciting. 100% commissions, the first sale to you. This process is very simple, folks. Step 1, you're going to watch the video that's above, choose the package of participation, and then make the call. And it's just that simple. We had dulled the system down to it's just simple. A child could understand it. I'm going to go down here, guys. I'm going to look at the products here. The products, it's a product-based business. And then what we're going to do, we're going to attempt to go and look at some of the capture pages. And then we're going to end the video up with the video up top. Very powerful. Okay, guys, again, there's no selling, no products to track inventory, no begging family and friends, no hitting fees. And guys, it's just very exciting. Very exciting. We've tipped the scales in your favor. Unlimited funds can come to you. This is a done-for-you system, especially if I close sales for you. This is not a job, no technical hassles, no ongoing fees. Guys, you pay one time, and you own this system for life. You work less, you earn more, you become debt-free, and you can retire in style. People are taking this system, and they're donating money to their church. They're leaving a legacy. They're upgrading their lifestyle. Folks, stop worrying about money and join in these systems. Here are the compensation plan. 500, 15, 35, 75, and 11,000 are your levels of success and participation. With every product package, with every level, the more products you get within that package. And that's very exciting. The $500 level, folks, you're going to get all of this. You're going to get step-by-step marketing plan, autoresponder system, world-class training and support, the crazy money plan, the easy money system that works, folks, the master key system, lunch with Mark Hendricks. All of these products are downloadable digital products in the back office. Silver package, you get all that and more value. 25 ways to get 25 proven traffic methods, 17 ways to build a list fast. Wallace's series. I'm not going to say that again, guys. White label products. You get their legal resale rights. And it goes on and on, guys. Every product, the gold, all the way to the platinum, all the way to the diamond, from start to finish, has the product packages. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to go every product by product by product by product, but it's a product-based business and could not be more excited about it. Here are testimonials, guys. We'll go through these great individuals, and check out the testimonials, guys. That's Bobby Swartz. He owns Home Business Advisor. Very, very powerful individual. And all these folks are just great people. All right, let's look at the inside, and then I'm gonna get off the video. Okay, marketing resources. Here are the lead capture pages. Look at these capture pages, folks. These things are incredible. Unlimited cash payments. Here is a capture page that you'll get that you can choose from. Unlimited massive cash payments to your door every week without selling. Here's another capture page. I like this one. Very high converting capture page. Now, all of these capture pages, guys, have been tested and proven. They're converting at like 43%, meaning that 43 people out of 100 people that come to the site is going to give you their name and email address. And then the system is going to take over. Folks, I'm telling you what, if you're watching this video, get in now. Get these proven postcards and start mailing, guys. You can pick up 3, 4, 5 sales over the next 30 days. It's possible with this high converting system. Could not be more excited about it. Now, look at this another lead capture page. Here, warning, if you want to work less while earning more, here we go. It's just absolutely powerful. Here's another one. Truth about anyone tell you the truth about who wants financial freedom? You can work less by earning more. Finally, quit living paycheck to paycheck. It's your turn to get involved. Your turn to have financial freedom. Folks, today you can take action. Destiny is in your hand. This is absolutely powerful information. You have the information in front of you to literally change the course of your life. Folks, I'm telling you what. Leverage Profit System has been a tremendous asset to me. I market, again, a lot of opportunities, but this is one of my main opportunities, and I'm going to lead with this one this year into 22, because it costs just as much money to market a $25 program versus a program where one person will send you $3,500. One person will send you $35. One person could send you $75. One person will send you $1,500. Income disclaimer. In life, nothing happens until you take action. But we've got a system, we've got a proven process, and we've got it down pat. Folks, I'm going to run traffic like somebody's chasing me into this system. When you get a chance, guys, in closing, I want you to come back up to the top of the video. Come back up to the top. I want you to look at this video, this life-changing message.
Hi, and welcome to this website.
Welcome.
The video you're watching is
to this website. I want you to look at this
not
website.
to brag about money.
And I want you to see
to give you an example of your
what is absolutely powerful and possible with this program. This is a highly recommended program. And when you get towards the end, look at the upgrade bonus. Get in, guys, at 3,500. We're going to upgrade you to 75. Get in at 15. We're going to upgrade you to 35, and we'll get you off to the races. Get with me and get the proven postcards. We even got a company that will make these postcards for you and mail them to your house. I could not be more excited, guys. You get all the resources. I got some special solo ad vendors. I got the text message marketing people that can work for you. I got ringless voicemail drop that can work for you. And you can be off to the races. And it's up to you whether you're going to put it to action. If you put it all to action, folks, you can write your own income. The sky could be the limit as to what you can do with the leverage profit system. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And let's get off to the races. Let's make 2021 one of the best. Speak it over yourself. Speak it over yourself. And it shall come to pass. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.